Want to start a blog, business website, e-commerce shop? You have everything needed to start your dream website. Somehow at the end you are stuck and struggling to find the nice and short domain name for your website. Hi, I am Shai Sheikh. In this video we will learn how to get instant free ideas about short domain name. At this time getting your dream domain is getting harder and harder. Sometimes it's available with a huge price tag. A domain will, which is domain name generator. This website is created by the Themile. As I open up about us page in the new link tab, we can see it redirect us to the Themile official about us page. Themile is the go-to source for WordPress theme, both free and premium. Themile are the creator of some of the WordPress most popular themes, which is Hestia, Neve, and many others. Coming to the domain wheel, let's say for example I want to create a affiliate marketing website reviewing gadgets, mobile phones, electronics, etc., earning commission if anyone buys from my affiliate links. To get an instant idea for my affiliate website name, I will type two relevant keywords which defines my website. For example, I will type gadget trends, search domain. Now I will come here, I will uncheck this all net info blog or search again. Let's see what this had generated for us. Let's go through it. It has generated us, but many of the domain are very lengthy. Let's try in another way. I will type first trends, then gadget, search. Now let's see what is had generated for us. This first one we can see, this one is nice, simple and short one. See many trends, gadget, geek. I like this one. So if I click to view details, we can see it redirect us to the Bluehost. Here you will get free domain with hosting starting at $2.95 per month dollar. If you want to host a website and you are beginner, Bluehost is recommended. So that's how domain will help us to get instant domain names ideas. If this video will help us to you, please make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in the next video.